All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with our evening watch list. So let's jump right into it. As you know, the attack reports are all out. They're available at your dashboard at pulsewavetrading.com. All right, so as you know, we're inching closer toward FOMC. I believe we're going to have a turnaround Tuesday tomorrow, though. So we'll see. And I think this will be the flow that takes us into the Wednesday FOMC. So on your theta here, you notice that the market actually gave a nice little technical bounce and gave you a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading for your theta. So already showing signs of turnaround Tuesday, even in the theta. As far as the Zcash or ZEC, we had that crash alert coming into today, and the market did give some downside production. You're still in a locked-in bear market on your on your Zcash. On the XRP Ripple, we're getting a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. As you can see here, the bulls did defend successfully the top of the Kumo Cloud support, and we do have that rally alert going into for tonight into tomorrow's trading on the XRP Ripple. All right, in addition to that, here on NVDA, you notice that the market is still caught in this sideways congestion, but with the back-to-back crash alerts. So we cannot ignore these crash alerts. You've had 3 in a row, which is very highly unusual. This is like a rare thing. So you got 3 crash alerts in a row in NVIDIA. All right, so this one is definitely on red alert for a major correction down back here toward the $700 bottom of the Kumo Cloud support. So get ready because it may even head lower, maybe even closer towards 600. So definitely be alert if you're long this market. You may want to tighten up some stops. So just take profit altogether and step aside. Silver is still bullish coming into tomorrow. We got a locked-in bull market now. Nice bullish trend momentum reading. All right, this 2636 resistance is the upside initial target on this run for silver. On the Dow, it's consolidated up here too, trying to hold on and prevent from going into a full corrective mode. But you still got the bearish trend momentum reading, so this one could still technically go either way. Looking at the Nasdaq 100, it is in a corrective mode. It's consolidated up here, but it has the bearish trend momentum reading. Had a crash alert coming into today, but didn't give you any downside production. And this one too still could go either way. Even though it's in a corrective state, it's not giving you downside production. On gold, gold is also in a consolidative state here, trying to hold on after that crash alert. But you got the bearish trend momentum reading, and this one technically could go either way too. But I think the bias is definitely to the downside on this one. I think gold wants to correct a little bit. All right, on the S&P 500, again, consolidating up here too, not in a corrective state, still in a pullback stance. So it could technically still go either way too, but the bias is definitely to the downside. Next, we have here, this is the Russell, and you can see that it's still under the auspices of a crash alert, and it is deep in corrective mode with a bearish trend momentum reading. And this 2K psychological top of the Kumo Cloud support is the downside target here. So it is in jeopardy. Just be prepared for that if you are trading the Russell. Next up, we have the dollar index. Like I told you, it's trying to gain momentum to power up. It's building up pressure here so it can break out. Remember, you do have a positive bot check back here that has not come to pass yet. That big upsurge leg is coming, folks. So get ready for that in your dollar. Next up, we have Ethereum futures. Downside production, getting more downside production today. Your support is right here at 3K. That's the bottom of the Kumo Cloud support, and that's our initial downside target on the Ethereum correction. Bitcoin 2 is in a pullback, not in a correction yet like Ethereum, but it's in pullback mode. And it still has support up here at the top of the Kumo cloud around the 65,760. All right, so it still has a little bit of wiggle room, and that's a wide amount of wiggle room, but it's still wiggle room nonetheless. All right, folks, so that's it. All right, we're going to go private now to help out any of our traders. And remember, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Share the videos. You never know who it may help or encourage. And remember that bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And remember, the system works if you work the system. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one as we go private.